Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. My name's Chris. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for checking us out. Today we are celebrating making 50 subscribers. We hit 50. I am super excited. So this video is just about the giveaways that I am going to do. So all you have to do to put in for one of these 4 gifts that I'm giving away is like the video, comment down below, make sure you're subscribed to count, and when you comment, let me know what your favorite item is and what the best way to get a hold of you is. So super excited. We also have so much coming up. I am going to have 4 videos this week. Usually I'm 1, 2, or 3 videos during the week, kind of depending on the schedule and everything. I have so much coming up, including this one. I'm going to have 4 videos this week, and I might even have 4 videos next week. Super excited. So I have 4 things to give away here. The first one is Live Colorfully perfume set by Kate Spade. I am a Kate Spade junkie. And in this, you're going to get a perfume, a body lotion, and a shower gel. So if you are a guy subscriber, go ahead and put in for it to give your girl. This is a $76 value, where retail, gift set retail is $58. Ooh. Got a deal at Ulta for that. And then we've got 2 mascara wardrobes. This is the first one. You are going to get Peacock Flare by CoverGirl. Better Than Sex Waterproof, one of my favorite mascaras ever. And the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. These 2 are minis. They are high-end, and this one is wallet friendly, but they're all excellent. And in the second wardrobe, we're going to have Volume Express Waterproof. Got to make sure you each have a waterproof in there. Then we have Better Than Sex. Once again, Too Faced. Oh my gosh, Better Than Sex and Better Than Sex Waterproof. Excellent. And the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. And again, these 2 are minis. But by the time you get through them, you know, you're supposed to throw mascaras out at 3 months. So by the time you get through them, it'll be time to throw them out anyway. And the last one is a Sephora eye brush gift set. It says, I'm not perfect, but my eyeliner is. You get your brushes and you get your little container there from Sephora. So like I said, make sure you're subscribed, like this video, comment down below of what you like the best and what is the best way to get a hold of you. If you are a guy who doesn't wear makeup or women's perfume, give it as a gift. It's holiday season. You can give it as a gift to your child, your friend, your neighbor, you know, especially this perfume set. Very good deal. So this week's going to be big, and I hope you guys check it out and keep watching the makeup community so we can build it to be a really fun, positive place just to talk about everything makeup. Alright, so that's it for this quick video. I will see you guys in my next video, and I will talk to you in the comments down below. Bye!